Dear students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see about number system. Already we learned in our small classes some group of numbers. Let us recall that. The first one is natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. That is n is equal to set upon 1, 2, 3, etc. The next one is whole numbers. Natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. So W is equal to the set of all 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That are called whole numbers. The third one is integers. Positive numbers, negative numbers with 0 are called integers. So integers are denoted by the letter Z. So Z is equal to set of all 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, etc. So we see in one figure. Natural numbers are positive numbers, that is starting with the number 1, 2, 3, etc. like that. That is maybe 109, 200, 300, 500, 1000, etc. It is going on. Number is no ending. Number has no ending. Then whole numbers are natural numbers with 0, that are called whole numbers. And the third one, integers. Integers are positive numbers, 0 with negative numbers, that are minus 7, minus 8, minus 100, minus 1000. That is anything that is minus negative numbers, that are called integers. In our previous class, we have seen natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Today, we recall about rational numbers. What are rational numbers? A rational number is a number of the fractional form of a by b, where a and b are integers. Both a and b are integers, and also note that b is not equal to 0. So b must not be not equal to 0. Example, 7 by 10 and minus 10 by 16. These are the examples of rational number. Already we seen like this numbers, 7 by 10, 4 by 3, like that. These numbers are already we studied, that is fraction. Yes, a non-negative rational number is also called a fraction. Rational numbers denoted by the letter Q. The rational numbers denoted by the letter Q. Now, we do one recap exercise. That is page number 3. The first sum is the simplest form of 125 by 200. You see the numerator and denominator. Which number is divided by the both numerator and denominator? You see the last unit digit. This is 5 and 0. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So we are going to divide by 5. So how many 5s are here? 125. First you take the first two digits. How many 5s are there? 2 5s are 10. The remainder 2 is there. Now 25. How many 5s are there? 5 5s are there. So 25 5s are 125. Next you divide the denominator by 5. How many 5s are there? First you take the first two digits. How many 5s are there? 4 5s are 20. So put 4, 4 5s are 20 and one more 0 is there. So you add a 0. Next we get 25 by 40. This is not simplified because the last digit is 5 and 0. So once again we are able to divide by 5. So this is divided by 5 and this is also divided by 5. How many 5s are there? 5 5s are 25. Here how many 5s are there? 5 5s are. Here also how many 5s are there? 8 5s are 40. Now we get the fraction 5 by 8. This is rational number. Can we simplify once again? So we are not able to simplify once again. So this is the simplest form of 125 by 200. Dear students, today we are going to solve the second sum. The question is, which of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 8 by 12? They are asking which is not an equivalent fraction. So shall we find the equivalent fraction of 8 by 12? Yes. 8 by 12, the equivalent fraction of 8 by 12. First numerator we find. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40. And denominator also right. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60. Shall we compare the options? The first equivalent fraction is 16 by 24. So 16 by 24 also is here. So this is an equivalent fraction. The next one is 24 by 36. 24 by 36 also one of the option. So this is also one of the equivalent fraction. The third one you compare, that is 32. Numerator is equal but denominator is not equal. So this is not an equivalent fraction. And first one you see, that is 2 by 3. This fraction is smaller than 8 by 12. So we simplify 8 by 12 and see. So 8 by 12, simplify and see. Shall we divide by 2? By 2 by 2. How many 2's are there? 4 2's are 8 and 6 2's are 12. Once again we simplify by 2, that is by 2 by 2, that is how many 2's are there? 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6. Now we get 2 by 3. So this is also one of the equivalent fraction. So which is not, C is not an equivalent fraction of 8 by 12. So the answer is 32 by 60. Now we are going to see the third sum. Which is bigger, 4 by 5 or 8 by 9? The given fractions are unlike fraction. So we are not able to compare this fraction. So we want to change the fractions into like fractions. We want to change the like fraction means we want to find the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 9 is 5 9s are 45. So change the first fraction 4 by 5. Change the denominator into 45 because we are getting 45 is the denominator. So how many 5s are 45? 9 5s are. So multiply the same number with numerator. 4 9s are 36. So first fraction we change 36 by 45. The second one is 8 by 9. Change the fraction into denominator into 45. How many 9s are 45? 5 9s are. So the same number multiplied with numerator. 8 5s are 40. Now we get the two fractions 36 by 45 and 40 by 45. 36 by 45 and 40 by 45. So now we are able to compare these both numbers because these are like fractions. Compare the numerator. 40 is the bigger than 36. So this fraction is biggest one. So the original fraction of 36 by 45 is 4 by 5. Original fraction of 40 by 45 is 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 is greater fraction. Now we are going to see the fourth sum. Add the fractions 3 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 10. These fractions also unlike fractions. So we are not able to add the fractions. So we must change the fractions into like fractions. So shall we find the LCM of the denominators? 5, 8, 10. Shall we divide by 5? 5. How many 5s are there? 1 5 is 5. 8 is not divided by 5. So you write 8. How many 5s are 10? 2 5s are. So once again you will do by 2. 1. How many 2s are 8? 4 2s are 1 2 is 2. So againly 2 1 2 2s are 1. Againly I divide by 2. 1 1 2 is 2 1. So the LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 2s are 40. So you must change the denominator into 40. So shall we change the first fraction? The first fraction is 3 by 5. Change the denominator into 40. How many 5s are 40? 8 5s are. So multiply the numerator also by 8. 3 8s are 24. The second fraction is 5 by 8. Change the denominator into 40. How many 8s are 40? 5 8s are. So multiply the numerator also by 5. 5 5s are 25. The third fraction is 7 by 10. Change the denominator into 40. How many 10s are 40? 4 10s are. So multiply the numerator also 4. 7 4s are 28. Now we change the fraction into like fraction. Shall we add these numbers? The first one 24 by 40 plus 25 by 40 plus 28 by 40. The denominators are same. So 40. The numerators are 24, 25, 28. Add the numbers 24, 25, 28. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 70. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 77 by 40. Now we are going to see the fifth sum. Simplify. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. So we want to subtract 1 by 1. First we subtract these two fractions because the bracket is given. First we want to find the LCM of these numbers. Denominators 8, 6, 4. LCM of 8, 6, 4. Shall we divide by 2? 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Once again we will divide by 2. That is 2 2s are 4. 3 we can't divide. So you write 3. 1 2 is 2. Once again 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 is we can't divide 1. Again we put 3. 1 1 3 is 3 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So you want to change the denominator into 24. So you first change the first fraction. Denominator 24. How many 8s are 24? 3 8s are. So the numerator also multiplied by 3. 1 3 is 3. Next 1 by 6. How many 6 are 24? 4 6 are. So multiply the numerator also 4. 1 4 is 4. Next 1 by 4. The third fraction is 1 by 4. Change the denominator into 24. How many 4s are 24? 6 4s are. So numerator also multiplied by 6. 1 6 is 6. Now we change the like fractions and we simplify. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. The bracket is given here. The like fraction of 1 by 8 is 3 by 24 minus like fraction of 1 by 6 is 4 by 24. Like fraction of 6 by 24 1 by 4 is 6 by 24. So you subtract the bracket first. 24 4 minus 6 4 minus 6 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So 3 by 24 minus 2 by 24. Now multiply by minus into minus plus. So 3 by 24 plus 2 by 24. So the answer is denominator is 24. 3 plus 2 is 5.